Good evening, my dear children. How are you today? Is it still raining? Hope the rain has ceased now. Then tell me, how about your workbook activities? Did you complete my work? I think you have completed all the activities. So far, we have done a lot of activities in your workbook and also in your extra book. As you have an evaluation, you better study all the words and you have to read all the sentences, activities in your books. So study very well these days and get ready for the evaluation. Due to bad weather condition, I am also facing connection problems, children. So shall we write dictation soon? Yes, words are appeared on the screen as usual. You write soon. Hope you have finished your work now. Have you finished writing? Shall we discuss them? Right. Yes, first one. What did you write there? Yes, you have to write rain. How do you spell rain? R-A-I-N. Correct. Put a tick there. Number two. Yes, tap. T-A-P. Right. Third one. What did you write? Yes, tell me the spellings. Well, W-E-L-L. Correct. Fourth one. River. R-I-V-E-R. Last word. Yes, water. W-A-T-E-R. Right. Who got all correct, children? Who got all 5? Put up your hands if you have got 5 out of 5. Right, I can see. Okay, there are a lot of students today. There are a lot of children today. Words are so easy. Then you can easily write. Okay, great. Before start the lesson today, let me tell you something, my dear. Children, it's a great pleasure to say that we have successfully reached to our destination of grade 3 journey. Grade 3 journey. Now we are going to finish our grade 3 journey today. Even though it was somewhat difficult and tiresome, you helped me to succeed. I still remember the way that we started our grade 3 syllabus. It was also during the COVID pandemic period. Can you remember, my dear? Yes, the way you started the lesson. Those days also we were stay home. Right. Dear children, you are so clever and your parents are also so helpful. They gave their fullest cooperation to you and me as well. Um, they always behind you. I know it. They are behind you every time. So I thank you all for that first. Today we will finish our entire grade 3 national syllabus. Right. First, I am going to show you some vehicles, children. Do you like to see vehicles? Right, let's see. These are the modes of transport, the way of traveling. Here, see, children. First, you watch the vehicles here. People use these vehicles for traveling. Here, a double-decker bus, a jet. You can see a van, a car also. Boat and a three-wheeler. Right. The different modes of transports are air transport, water transport and land transport. You can see three types of transporting here, traveling here. What are the ways of air transport? Tell me. Yes. Let's go to the top once again. Yes. Yes. Here you can see the aeroplane. Aeroplane, and you saw a jet. You saw a jet plane. Here. Yes. They are the air transport vehicles. And water transport vehicles. What are they? Here you saw two types of vehicles. There you saw a ship and a boat, I think. Right. Yes, a ship and also a boat. Ship here, the ship. They are our water transport vehicles. And a boat. Boat. Right, here the boat. And all the rest of the vehicles are land transport vehicles. Land transport vehicles. Right. Let's read the words once again, dear. Yes. See. Yes. Let's see one by one. You read the words aeroplane, bicycle, ship, jeep, train, here, lorry. What is this one? It's a common vehicle. Bus. Another kind of a bus, double-decker bus. I think you have seen this kind of buses. Jet plane, van. Here, read the word car. Yes, another car. Boat. And three-wheeler. Three-wheeler. Okay, children, let's have some practice in your pupils book, page 124. Yes. Get ready. What is this, children? Yes, this is our globe. This is our globe. The globe. There are so many countries in our globe. In other words, it is called as Earth. The Earth. Here you can see lot of countries everywhere. And you can see the ocean also. Blue ocean. Right. Here, this gives some information about places we live. These are the countries. There are a lot of countries in the world. Where can you find our country here? Yes, here. You can see you can't see here. Our country is just like a tiny dot in the world map. You can see country India here, and there are lot of large continents. Our country is an island. There is another world map. You know these things. Right. What about this one, children? That's right. This is our country. This is Sri Lanka. Yes, our country. And small island. You can see the ocean. Indian Ocean around our country. Right. As you know, it is a very small country, very small island. When we compare with the other countries in the world, our country cannot be seen in the map, as I told you earlier. Here. Right. My dear children, this globe provides us all the things we need. For an example, I can say food. Not only food, it provides us sunlight, water, and air. I mean oxygen. So in a way, I can say this globe gives us everything to live. So this globe takes care of us. Children, do we care of our globe? Do we care of our planet Earth? We must save this world. We must save the earth. Do you? Children, I think we don't care about our globe. We don't care about our earth. That means we don't save the earth. See, you can see these two children. What happens to them? What happened to them? What has happened here? Yes, they can't even breathe because of the black smoke everywhere. We can say this as air pollution. You can see the environmental pollution, parisara dushan, environmental pollution. Here you can see the air pollution, vayu dushan. So they can't even breathe. Yes, so we must get together as children. You must get together and stop pollution. You have to stand against pollution. Here you can see lot of big factories which produce smoke, black smoke, dark smoke. Right. Then our globe needs our help. So we must get together and we have to hold our hands and we have to save the earth. So you too must help to save our earth, save our globe. Right. Here, what can you see? You can see a heap of garbage. Heap of garbage. We dump garbage everywhere. Can you see? Yes, in a way we can say this heap of garbage as trash. Trash, litter. People throw trash in rivers, to the oceans, and beside rods like this in careless ways. See, see, they pollute the water even. They add waste things, the trash, also to the oceans, seas. So we can say they waste water, they pollute water in careless ways. What happens to the animals, creatures, the aquatic animals and plants in the water? They may die. Right. Then what about this one? Here, before that, see. Here you can see some children. They are doing a good thing, a good deed. You also must do such good things as children. They pick up trash. They collect. They collect trash. The things that we throw away, useless things. See, they pick up trash. They pick up the things that we throw away. Here, yes, here also the things that we throw away. Discarded things, right? See, there's another thing. Sometimes people waste water also in careless ways. So we must save water also. Don't waste water. Slow the flow. Here, when you save water, you will save the trees because all trees need water to grow. So even this drop also a useful thing for all living beings. See, what about this one? When we use papers, we have to use both sides of a paper. Here, use both sides of papers. Use both sides of papers. Here you can see a paper. Be wise. Use both sides. Wise. Jnanavanta vennalu. Use both sides. Don't waste papers. So why use just one side? Use both sides of papers. See, save earth. Use both sides of paper. Right? Do you know, children? Paper is made of trees. Here you can see a huge log. You have to cut a lot of trees to make papers. People cut trees, but they don't plant trees again. See? Sometimes as children, you too waste a lot of papers. So don't be so. You use papers in careless ways. You have to use papers in careful ways. When you use papers, use both sides of a paper. Right? There's another thing to say, you children. Here, turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Here, please turn off lights when leaving room empty. When you leave the room, you must turn off lights. My dear children, Electricity is also made of water. So please turn off the lights. When you use electricity in careless ways, you waste a lot of water. Recycle. There's another thing. My dear children, do you know this symbol? Tell me, Putte, do you know this symbol? Yes, that's right. This is the symbol of recycle. Recycle. What do you mean by recycle, my dear? Tell me, who can tell me? Recycle means you use something again and again. You use something again and again. There are a lot of recycled things. Do you know? You can make pencil holders, flower pots, nice flower arrangements, and many more. And many more creative things by recycling. See what are the things that they have recycled. Here you can see some items using plastic bottles. You can see nice flower pots using empty plastic bottles. See, they are very nice, so creative. You can see nice empty plastic bottles they have created as flower pots. See, they are so beautiful, so interesting. See, there's a useless kettle. It is also used as a flower pot. See, you can see plastic cans. And you can see empty tins. Here, another empty bins, useless bins. They have used as also attractive flower pots, as attractive flower pots. See, here you can see tires. They have colored nicely and used as creative flower arrangements. If you throw out the tires made of rubber, there will be pollution. See, there's a nice pencil holder. A pencil holder using a useless can, empty can. See, nice pencil holders using empty tins. Here also you can see two bottles, empty bottles, plastic bottles using plastic. You can see empty bottles they have created. They have been created as nice pencil holders. So my dear, these ideas are so amazing. No need to ask your parents to buy new ones. Right? As a whole, my dear children, I have to say you something. You must love the earth. You must save the earth. All of you must love the earth and all of you must save our earth. Now, see. Now, Risati is ready to give you a message. Shall we listen to Risati, my dear?
This is our world. This is the globe. This is me. Please save water. Please pick up trash. Please plant a tree. Please love animals. I take care of you. Do you take care of me? Thank you. I am Risadi, grade 3B.
Putte, shall we listen to Risandi once again? Okay, get ready.
This is our world. This is the globe. This is me. Please save water. Please pick up trash. Please plant a tree. Please love animals. I take care of you. Do you take care of me? Thank you. I am Risadi, grade 3B.
Excellent, dear Risandi. I can see you have a bright future. Good luck. Children, then tell me, what do you do? What do you do to protect our globe? What do you do to save our globe, our earth? Yes, you must save water. You must, yes, correct. You must plant trees. Tell me, Putte. That's right. You have to pick up trash. Yes, correct. You have to turn off the lights. Then, what about recycling? Correct. You have to use, that's also correct. You have to use papers in careful ways. You have to use papers carefully. And as recycling, you have to use the waste things, use the waste materials again in useful way. You have to use the useless plastic materials, useless things, discarded things in useful ways. We call it as recycle, right? As I like to get a promise from you. I would like to get a promise from you. Here, see the song, listen to the song. Here you have a promise of saving the earth.
The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. United with friends, I promise to keep it. United with friends, I will love the land. United with friends, I'll be a defender. I will save the earth. The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. I will save the earth.
Putte, what is the promise that you would keep? Tell me. Yes? The earth is yours. It is your home. So, you You must promise to save it. You must keep a promise to save it. You have to love it. You have to love the animals. You have to love the lands and water. You have to love the land, water, and the creatures in the globe, in the earth. So, as a promise, you will save the earth. You must save the earth. Right. When you save the earth, children, you will be able to live a better life. You will be able to live a good life. So, please love the earth. That is also my message. I need to convey you to save the earth, love the earth. Right, now we are going to move on to our pupils book. So turn to page 126 and 127, my dear. Quickly turn to your books. Here Pute 124. Take this page also. Right, 124. Listen and read. You saw these things. Mode of transport. Let's read. Plane, bicycle, ship, jeep, train, lorry, bus, jet, van, car, boat, and three-wheeler. We discussed these things. Here you can see, read aloud. Read aloud. You can see the globe. Read after me. This is our world. This is our world. This is the globe. This is the globe. This is the world map. This is the world map. This is Sri Lanka. This is Sri Lanka. Here you can see the map of Sri Lanka. Right. Next one. Page 126. Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Here you can see the globe once again. You can see the earth. Love the earth. Love the earth. Here the globe is talking, thinking. I take care of you. Do you take care of me? Yes. Always the globe is taking care of us. But we don't take care of the globe. Here, see the things that we can do to save the earth. We discuss these things. You must save water. You have to recycle. You have to use both sides of a paper. Then trees will save. You have to learn to pick up trash. You have to learn to pick up trash. You must pick trash up. Then you have to turn off the lights when you don't use the lights. Right. Then let's read these things also. Save water, plant a tree, make a better home for you and me. Make a better home for you and me. Right. Next page. Here there's a different thing. Page 127. Last page in your pupils book. Study the picture. What can you see in the picture? Right. There's a nice picture of a jungle. You can see the world around us. You can see the animals. You can see the plants. Right. You have to build up sentences using the things in the picture. What can you see in the picture? Right. Now, children, tell me Now, dear, tell me the things you can see in the picture. Yes, come on. Yes, you can see a big elephant here. Yes, who else you can see? Yes, correct. A tiger. Yes, a butterfly. Who else? A tortoise. A bird also. Yes, there's a frog. And a snail. Snail. There's another one. Sometimes maybe a lizard or an iguana. Here you can see a caterpillar and also a snake. Here is this a bug? Right, okay. And you can see tall trees and creepers, like these creepers, and plants and bushes. There are some plants also with flowers. Right. These are the things you can see in this land. This is actually our country. Can you see? This is a model of our country. Here. Can you see, Pute? Right. These are the things in our country. Right. And now we are going to write something in your workbook. Okay. Then move on to your workbook quickly. Right. 113. Page 113. Right. Let's go to the top. Read and complete. You can see the globe. How do you feel this, Putti? Help me. This is the correct. This is the globe. Let's write the spellings here. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. This is the globe. Right. Let's full stop. You must put the full stop there. Right. Next one. Yes. What can you see in the picture? Correct. This is the world map. So you have to write this is the world map. Right. Next one. What is the next? Yes, you can see our country. This is my country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. This is my country. Okay, let's read these things. Paste a map of Sri Lanka. Mark your hometown. Copy. Here in this space, you have to paste a map of Sri Lanka. There are a lot of maps in bookshops also. You can buy one and paste it here. And you must mark the place. Your living place. You have to mark your hometown, your living place. Now, I know all of you are living in Western Province. Here, see, Western Province. Here, Western Province. So, you have to mark the place, hometown. I know most of you are living in Horana. Right. Your hometown is pointed here. Yes, you must write it. You must mark it, my dear. Right. And you have to write it there as Horana. Right. You have to copy. You have to copy the sentence given here. My country is Sri Lanka. Yes. You have to write the same. My country is Sri Lanka. When you write Sri Lanka, you have to start in a capital. S capital, L capital. Sri Lanka, full stop. Copy this down. Okay, in this way you have to complete it. Okay, let's go down. Last page, last activity in your workbook, my dear children. 114. Right. We have to build up sentences using I can see. Okay. Please help me to write. First one. Yes, come on. One of you tell me. Right. I can see an elephant. Let's write. I can see an elephant. Elephant. How do you write elephant? Elephant. Yes. What else you can say? Yes, correct. I can see a tiger. I can see a tiger. 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 Right. Another one. Yes, that's right. I can see a butterfly. FLY. Correct. Who are the other animals you saw? Yes, I can see a snail. I can see a snail. SNAIL. Correct. Who else? I can see a caterpillar. Correct. I can see a caterpillar. How do you write caterpillar? CATERPILLAR. Full stop. Yes, I can see a tortoise. Correct, Pute. I can see a tortoise. TORTOISE. Right. Yes. Yes, you saw tall trees. Correct. I can see tall trees. Tall trees. Yes, I can see bushes. You saw a bird also. I can see a bird. Yes. Yes, you saw some plants. I can see some plants. Throughout this unit, throughout our last unit, unit 8, you learnt about the things in your garden. Dear children, can you remember? Yes, that you learnt about types of plants and parts of a tree also. You enjoyed in the garden. You enjoyed with the garden. And you learnt about growing of a new plant. and there were types of leaves also. Then you learned about poems. There were two poems. I think one is about the sun and the other one is about the shadow, about our shadow. And you learn a bit about the sky and also about water. You learned about the uses of water. And there were some science, a bit of science about floating. Today you learned about modes of transport, and also a little bit of the globe and the world. Right. Children, my dear children, I think now I am going to leave. I am going to say goodbye to you all. And also I'm going to say goodbye to your entire grade 3 syllabus. I wish you all the success, Putte. Thank you for your cooperation throughout the year. Okay, good luck, my dear. Have a nice day.